Well, hey there. In this special lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play one of the beautiful ballads from Moana, How Far I'll Go. Now, I love this movie. It's one of my favorite Disney movies, and I really loved all the music from it. And so I hope that you enjoy learning this song with me. Let's take a look at our keys and begin. So let's set up our hand position the way we're going to start. Our finger 1 is going to be on D. Now we have a lot of F sharps in this piece. So if I were you, I would just go ahead and put my right hand finger 3 on F sharp. Now most of this piece is going to be in the right hand, but there's a few times where we're going to use the left hand. So you'll want to set it up right at the beginning with finger 3 on A. And that's going to be pretty much the only left hand note that you play until the very end. So listen to me play the first line and listen to my rhythm. I just went stepping up, D, E, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, D, E, F sharp. And then I went from D to A down to E. Follow along as I play that one more time. 1 and 2, da, 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 bum, bum, bum. And I'm not going to spend too much time dissecting the counting there. I think that can be a little bit confusing. And what I'd actually encourage you to do is listen to the song from Moana, and I think the rhythm will come very easily to you rather than trying to count 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, whole 2, 3, 4. That can get a little confusing, right? So I'd like you, even if you want to say the words as you play or just think about the tune in your head, there's a light in the sea, if that helps you. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and try the first line. After you've done that, press play. All right, so we're going to get ready to use our left hand now. My E from measure 3 is going to be tied, and then I'm going to sneak down and play A with the left hand. When I'm playing that A, my right hand's just going to shift up a little bit. Finger 4 is going to come to this A. Finger 2 is going to come to the F sharp now. So I've gone from this position to this position. Can you try that hand position change with me in the right hand? Start with finger 1 on D, finger 3 on the F sharp, and now move up one note with each finger so that finger 2 is now on the F sharp. Very nice. Let's move back to our hand position that we started in with D. Finger 3 is going to be on the A. And let's start with the E in measure 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. So I shifted my hand position up, and then I stayed there to play this next little bit of the piece. All right, the next little bit of the piece, you're playing A, B, F sharp, E, and then again to the A, B, F sharp, E, so it repeats itself. What I'd like you to do is pause the video and try those first 2 lines on your own until you feel comfortable with that little bit of a right hand position change and the rhythm. After you've done that, go ahead and press play. All right, we're picking up in line 3. This is going to be very similar to line 1 with a little bit of a rhythm change in measure 10. So I'm doing my D, E, F sharp pattern again. Go ahead, pause the video, and try line 3 from the D, E, F sharp pattern. After you've done that, press play. All right, now measure 12 is very similar to our hand position change. Again, just a little bit of a rhythmic difference here. So while my left hand plays the A, I'm going to switch my fingers to here with finger 2 in the F sharp. So we've done the hand position change. And now, instead of just one A, you're going to play 2 A's. down here, and then 2 A's in the right hand. Can you try that for me? 2 A's, 2 A's. Go ahead and try it. All right, now the last note in the left hand, you're gonna jump down to a super low D. All right, now while the right hand is playing this A and holding it, you can move your left hand down to play this super low D. Here's D above middle C, you're coming 2 Ds below that, and you're gonna use finger 3 because it's a nice strong finger, and you're gonna play it really loud because we have an accent there. So you end it on that deep, low beat. So listen to me play from measure 12. And that's my ending. Go ahead and pause the video and try those last 2 lines a few times till you feel comfortable with the movement happening in each hand. After you feel comfortable with the movement between the hands, you can press play. All right, now that you've learned the entire piece, I'm going to go ahead and play the whole thing for you so you can hear how it will sound. And you can listen to my version and your version and make sure that your rhythm, your notes are all correct. Here is how far I'll go. All right, thanks so much for taking the time to work through this song with me. Practice hard, and I'll see you soon.